These two countries that openly defy international law. 1. The United States, the superpower that places itself above the law. Since dominating the world, the United States has systematically circumvented international law by imposing its own rules. Their approach is simple. American justice prevails over all others, even if it means violating state sovereignty. Glaring examples of disregard for international law. The invasion of Iraq, 2003. The United States launched a war under false pretenses. Weapons of mass destruction, never found, in flagrant violation of the United Nations Charter. The result, more than 1 million deaths and a destroyed country. Killer drones. Targeted assassinations by drone, such as that of Iranian General Qasem Soleimani in 2020, are extrajudicial executions prohibited by international law. Guantanamo, a detention center where prisoners have been tortured without trial for 20 years, in violation of the Geneva Conventions. Unilateral economic sanctions. The United States punishes countries like Cuba, Venezuela, and Iran by imposing blockades that are illegal according to the UN, causing food and medical shortages. Their doctrine of preventive war, which they invented, allows them to attack any country under the pretext of national security. No other nation has this privilege. 2. Israel, the Western protege that acts with impunity. Israel is the United States' top student when it comes to violations of international law. Unconditionally supported by Washington, it acts without any consequences, despite decades of occupation, colonization, and war crimes. Real cases proving Israeli impunity. The illegal occupation of Palestine. Since 1967, Israel has colonized the West Bank in violation of UN Resolution 242. More than 700,000 settlers now live on stolen land. Massive bombings of Gaza. In 2023 to 2024, more than 35,000 Palestinians were killed, 70% of them civilians, women and children. Attacks on hospitals and schools are documented, but no punishment has been imposed. The assassination of journalists. The death of journalist Shireen Abu Akleh, killed by the Israeli army in 2022, has not led to any prosecution. The apartheid wall. Condemned by the International Court of Justice in 2004, it still stands, confining Palestinians to Bantustans. Yet whenever Israel is criticized, the West invokes the right to self-defense. Even after massacres, the United States vetoes the UN Security Council to protect it. Conclusion: double standards. These two countries prove that international law does not apply to the powerful. The United States and Israel violate laws without ever being punished, while other nations like Iraq, Syria, or Russia suffer wars and sanctions for far less. Is global justice truly universal or just an instrument of the strong against the weak?